Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Chester County in upstate South Carolina, East Central Union County in upstate South Carolina, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles southwest of Chester, or 5 miles northeast of Carlisle, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, ping-pong ball-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Chester, Chester State Park, Richburg, Leeds, Cornwall, Carlisle, Lowry's, and Santec. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Brief damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines over small areas. A brief period of large hail is also possible. Seek shelter inside an interior room. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet us using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in South Carolina, Chester, and Union. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe...
With a scroll like this as fast as this Midland 74 to 50 can go. As fast as a snail. That's one way to put this with the alert scroll, as you can see on the Midland 74 to 50.